And anytime you hear Ya ayyuhalladina amanu, pay attention to that ayah because it's addressing me and you. Inshallah, we are from the people of Iman. That's what we hope. So we need to pay attention. My respected brothers and sisters in Islam, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, He orders us in the Quran, a beautiful thing. He says, Ya ayyuhalladina amanu, O you who believe. And anytime you hear Ya ayyuhalladina amanu, pay attention to that ayah because it's addressing me and you. Inshallah, we are from the people of Iman. That's what we hope. So we need to pay attention. What does Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala tell us? Ya ayyuhalladina amanu ittaqullah. O you people of Iman, have taqwa of Allah. Now first thing, who's being addressed? Us, the believers. It's not Ya ayyuhan nas, it's not just mankind, it's not about fusaq and fujjar, it's not for the sinful, it's not for the people who are doing wrong. No, for the people of Iman. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala orders them and tells them, ittaqullah, have taqwa of Allah. Haqqa tuqatihi, to the right. I'm up here, brothers. I'm up here. All right? To the right of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Have taqwa of Allah till it's the right of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. But then what does Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala tell us after that? La tamutunna illa wa antum muslimin. But die not except that you are in a state of being a Muslim. Now brothers and sisters, what is a higher status? Being a mu'min or a Muslim? Anybody that says the shahada from their heart, their tongue, khalas, they are Muslim. But Iman has to enter your heart. Like the Bedouins who said, Amanna, he said, we brought Iman. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala tells them, no, you've entered Islam, but Iman has not entered your heart. So Iman is higher. A person of taqwa is higher. A person of ihsan is higher. So even though the people that are being addressed is not Ya ayyuhal muslimin, it is Ya ayyuhalladina amanu. You're already at the level of Iman, but it's telling you die not except in a state of even just being a Muslim.